What's up, guys? Back from the video. So I want to quickly talk about different types of siding for you guys who are not familiar. So your main types of siding on homes are going to be stucco, vinyl, brick, hardy board, hardy plank. This right here actually is hardy plank siding or hardy board. And one thing I want to talk about with this is when it comes to this type of siding, you want to make sure that before you just go around spraying your solution, your bleach on the siding, that you do a test area, because sometimes with this painted surface, it can react in a negative way. And change like the color of the siding. Certain pigments of Sherwin-Williams paint can react negatively to the siding. So just make sure you do a test spot before you just go around spraying the house, because that would be a huge liability if you don't check it first and you just go around spraying and then now you have to repaint someone's house. Another thing to check for is look for existing oxidation marks before you start the siding, or areas of oxidation where it looks like the paint might be failing. These are just things you want to do to basically cover yourself. Because like I said before in other videos, most customers aren't really looking over their house that much until once you clean it, because most people are just in and out. They're not really walking around evaluating their house. But as soon as you wash it, they're looking at it like an eagle. And so there might have been some existing damage or problems that they might not have noticed beforehand, but once you wash it, they will notice it. And if you didn't take pictures or tell the customer about it before you started, now that could fall back on you and become your problem and your liability. So I just want to let you guys know that we're gonna be downstream washing this house. So I'll give you guys some footage of that. If you guys don't know what downstreaming is, I'll quickly show you over here. So right now we just take our bleach, we just take our line. This is our downstream injector right here. It pulls from our bleach solution, which we just put in this bucket. It's going to run through your hose. In order to pull the bleach, you're just going to need to use soaping nozzles, just wider orifice nozzles. And the difference between a wide orifice nozzle or soap nozzle is, on here right now is a high pressure nozzle, right? And let's do a little quick comparison so you can see the difference right here. This hole is a lot smaller than this hole is. This one is a lot larger, right? So that's the way that the solution pulls through, is through the wider hose, the hole. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start this thing up and get this house knocked out. All right, guys, so all done with the house wash, total of like 35 minutes time. In this house, you guys can see the size of the house, like see behind me. It's like a 2,700 square foot home done in 35 minutes. It's the power of, better equipment and process. Simple things, guys, that save you time. Having, like, when you're just getting started, these things, for guys who've been in the business, what I'm telling right now is simple things, but when you're just getting started, you might not know these things, but having enough hose to not have to move your pressure washer around if you're using one that's on wheels. Obviously mine now is like a mounted one, so it just sits there. But little things like that, man, will save you time. Proper process, all that good stuff. Every time I finish a job, I just do a walk around to make sure, I didn't miss any spots. And then I go get the customer and have them walk around again, just in case I miss anything. I am human, so we can miss things. So I forgot to end the video at the last appointment. So hope you guys learned something from this. Stay continuing your education. Also want to announce before I end the video that I just released my ebook. It's geared towards those who are just getting started in the industry. So it's a book that teaches you how to start your own pressure washing business. Quick read. It's only $10 too. So if you're interested, link will be in the description. Check it out. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the next video.